Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn English grammar chapter noun gender. Now if you remember, we did nouns, we did common noun, proper noun, we did abstract noun, we did collective noun. Now we are going to countable, uncountable nouns. Today we are going to do noun gender. Now you are very much aware about noun, name of a person, place, animal, or thing. And gender, yes, what is the meaning of gender? Whenever you get a topic in front of you, you should be clear with your topic. What does the topic means? First divide the topic and understand, so the concept becomes very easy for you all to understand. Now when I am talking about noun, you're clear with the definition of noun. It's a name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Now I'm talking about gender. Gender means when you put the things, when you put the nouns in different categories, that is male, female. This is actually, when you talk about the gender, this is actually the gender which we talk about is female and male. But when we talk about the noun, when we categorize them in gender, we have 4 types of categories in gender noun. What is that? The first one is male, feminine, that is masculine, female, that is feminine, common gender, and neuter gender. Now you will be well versed about the masculine and feminine. Okay, the male person, the male member or the male person is known as masculine. Example, king, man, then you can say boy. These are the male person, so they are known as masculine gender. But and another is feminine, that is female gender, that is the female person. Now when you talk about the female noun, they are girl, woman, lady. So these are the female one. That is clear to you. Masculine means a male member and feminine means the female gender, female person, female noun. But what about the common noun and neuter noun? These are the 2 nouns which you need to know how to differentiate them. Then first one, when I talk about the common noun, that is the common, not common noun, common gender. When I am talking about the common gender also includes living things only. They include male members and female members. Now how you will come to know who is common gender? Yes, when you talk about a doctor, she is a doctor or he is a doctor. Now doctor is a noun, but you did not say which feminine, which gender it is, feminine or masculine. It is just mentioned, go and visit to the doctor. Now the doctor can be a girl, the doctor can be a boy. So doctor is referred to as a common gender. Next, the teacher teaches in the class. You know which teacher is teaching? Sir is teaching or teacher is teaching? No, you don't know. Sir is teaching or Miss is teaching? You don't know. You only said the teacher is teaching in the class. So teacher becomes your common gender. That means including both and male and female. When you talk about a noun which can be male, which can be female, is known as common gender. Next we have neuter gender. I'll give you few more examples. I'm going to share a short video with you which will be clearing your noun gender. That's the reason I'm just giving you small definition. I'm explaining you so that your further thing is cleared, your further part is cleared in your video part. So what is the next one? Next one is neuter gender. Masculine, only the male member. Feminine, only the female member. Common, male, can be female. The leader leads the party. Leader can be a lady, leader can be a man. The spectator is watching a match. The spectator can be a man, can be a woman. The announcer announces the meeting. The announcer can be a man, can be a female. So when you are talking about a specific person who can either be a male or a female is known as common gender. Now 3 is clear. Last one, we go on with the neuter gender. What is neuter gender? It's specifically the non-living things. Example, if I have to give you chair, the chair on which I am sitting. Do you know it is male or female? No, you don't know. So the non-living thing becomes a neuter gender. If I talk about a book, book is a neuter gender. If I talk about a water bottle is neuter gender. If I talk about a calendar is a neuter gender. Why? Because they are non-living things. They are neither male, they are neither female. So it is a neuter gender. Check out a short video on noun gender and then we can move ahead with the exercise part. First check out the video and then we'll do the exercise.
Nouns. Gender. Masculine, feminine, common, and neuter are the 4 types of gender nouns in English. A male member of a species is a masculine gender noun. For example, uncle, king, hero, bull, etc. A female member of a species is a feminine gender noun. For example, aunt, queen, heroine, cow, etc. A common gender noun is used for either or both males and females. For example, leader, student, pilot, etc. A neuter gender noun refers to a member of a species which is neither a male nor a female. Inanimate things are neither male nor female, so they are neuter. For example, tree, car, computer, eye, body, sky, etc.